Here is something I haven't heard anybody else say. If you're already coding with artificial intelligence, let's say with Claude Code, you might be aware of a concept called a memory file, right? A Claude MD file. This is where artificial intelligence stores some of your preferences when it has written something, when it has written code. Now, that memory file is normally on the project level. But a lot of the instructions that you have are actually global instructions. You want them for all your projects. So what I personally do is I start Claude Code in the parent folder. I've got my parent folder and under there all the different projects that I've programmed. But when I then ask it to memorize something, it will store this in the parent folder in a Claude MD file. So now when I've got the preference that with every code change, I want it to also look at the rendering, both for desktop and for mobile. And so I don't have to do this QA. This is now stored in the parent folder. And I don't have to always repeat those kinds of instructions folder by folder, project by project. You train artificial intelligence the same way you train a coworker. Once you give it your preferences and you store this globally, it will act much more according to your needs. And artificial intelligence becomes more and more automatic that way. Hope that helps. Cheers.